Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't mind the dagger, let's get into today's video. So today we're gonna be making a movie trailer, but just with stock footage. So no original footage that I've captured, it's just gonna be 100% from an online content library. So before we get started, if you're an aspiring filmmaker or photographer, or you just love to be entertained and you wanna see more of this type of stuff, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Come over. So, into Premiere. So in here, I've just got the first shot ready for the trailer that I want to use, as well as the soundtrack down the bottom there. And if we just swipe across, you can see I've gone through and downloaded some pieces of footage that I want to put in the trailer. You see, they're mostly based around water, because I want the trailer to be based around the Bermuda Triangle and all the myths and legends that go along with that. So it's going to be quite like a horror type thriller trailer. So if we head over into Premiere now, this is what we've got so far. So I need to put in the second shot. I'm going to put it in once that piano chord hits right here. And I'm thinking I might have it for either that or this. Oh, nah, definitely the girl. Definitely. Because I kinda want the characters to stay consistent. So this girl right here is gonna be that girl right there. Because in stock footage, it's really hard to get the same characters. Now that chord right there. Let's switch that up. Let's see what the waves look like in this one. That's what I want to transition it into. So let's figure this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this hit right here and line it up and then maybe overlap it so it sounds a bit better. I don't like that shot though. That shot of the waves isn't epic enough for that. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so what I've done, I've put this shot in next, but it looks a bit off because they're facing different ways. So, I might just flip that. So this might look a little better. Yeah. How intense does this soundtrack get? Jesus. Okay. That's the end. That's gonna be the title song. Okay. Shh, calm down. Probably thinking it's not looking the best right now, but it still needs color grading. There's still a lot of stuff we need to do to it. This is just the rough edit. I want to use this one. This one is really cool. I want to have a narration going over this one, because it's like... How cool is that? I'm going to cut it on that. Boom, right there. And now I want to fade in to the picture, because that'll look, I think that'll be more impactful. I don't want to put a shot of the birds in though. I need something like impactful. Let's go and see if we can find some more clips. What are we looking for? Drowning. Oh, okay. What's this? Looks cool, but that looks so staged. Is she unconscious or something? Now she's unconscious. I'm going to download that and I'm just going to use that last bit of her going unconscious. Okay. Time to wait. Let me just run through quickly what I've done while I've been waiting. I've cut the soundtrack down so we don't have to make such a long trailer in order to get to the build-up. And I've tried to merge it as best I could. I think it works well. I'll show you that in a second. And if we go to the start, I've put this seagull shot in. So it goes from this shot of the girl. You can see how it's kind of a bit dreamy. And then it gets real. And then at the end here, I've got... So this is where the build-up starts happening, and I'm starting to cut a lot quicker now. I've downloaded this one, which is pretty much just bubbles coming up, and it's really dark, and it's got the God rays and stuff. So I think that'll be cool to add in there somewhere, so... Oh, hold up. Sharks, that's something. Kind of want it to be kind of horrifying though. So like kind of like far... Oh. 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 Kind of like in this one though. I also want to kind of add like a Holy Mother of Jesus. I also want to have like kind of like an illusion thing going on. So, especially in this last shot, you can see the girl, she's, you know, panicking, looking around like, well, what is she looking at is the question. I kind of want to have it so there's like, they're kind of hallucinating a little bit. So I kind of want there to be like an imagery of sharks or a shark, which isn't necessarily real. While we're waiting for that to download, I'm just thinking this one here, I think it might look cool if the bubble's going downwards. The Bermuda Triangle is a f***ed up place. Myths, legends, why not have gravity going weird as well? Let's reverse this. I like that. I think that works. That's cool. So what I'm going to do now is I found the same girl from this shot. She's got a few more videos on here. So I'm going to download a couple of these so we can get a clear idea who the main protagonist is. Oh, I might flip that wheel. Yeah, like this, so the eye line's the same. Yeah. Because there is 3 fat holes we need to fill in. And then I think we're good. Okay. Okay. Wake up. We got to do. No. Ocean. I'm so tired. I've been doing this for like 4 hours. My soul's getting destroyed. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. What about triangle? Okay. Could have some, like, some demonic hieroglyphs. I don't want that wave shot to be that long. We need to fix it. The hieroglyphs are done. Okay. With the choir and the hieroglyphs. Also what I'm thinking is have it as the painting's going. So we can switch the blending mode here. That's sick. That's looking cool. Do we have all the gaps filled? We filled all the gaps. We filled all the gaps. So this is what the rough trailer is going to look like. I'm going to do a ton more work on it tonight. And then tomorrow I'm going to go through with you what I did. I'm going to have the title sequence done, all the effects, overlays, sounds, just everything completed. And I'm just going to go over with you what I did. And you guys can see the final product. But for now, here's the rough edit of the trailer so far. Whoa! Sorry to cut the video off there, guys, but this video is already way too long. So I'm gonna do the only logical thing and split it into 2 parts for you guys. Part 2 I will upload next Friday, and you guys can check that out on the channel. You're gonna see the full finished trailer, and I'm gonna explain everything that I've done to it, from the sound design to the color grades to the overlays, absolutely everything. And I'm gonna explain to you guys what marks I think a proper movie trailer should hit, and why this one hits maybe the majority of them. I'll go over that next week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.